All right, so from the electricity pole right there, the loop, it's pretty high. You've got some just coax cables. Those aren't electric cables though. And they're not in the ground. There's the ground. So I don't know what wires we're talking about, because that cable on the high loop is up there. Looks like it was manufactured in October 2012. This is the condenser. Alright, so I got the laser here. We're going to see how tall the garage is to the house and see if there's a slope on this overhang. Alright. So, right here is 7 feet 10 inches, almost 7'11". There's that. So this is, let's see if I can get this, 7 feet 6 inches. So there's about a 4-inch difference. It is sloping down a little, but that's because the garage is a little higher than the house. All right, here's the overhang here. Water heater is manufactured in 1998. That's what it looks like. All right, so for the interior HVAC unit, the handler and furnace and all that, looks like we have a manufactured date of March 2010. All right, so we've got power to the dishwasher here. We started the dishwasher. And we're going to come back in a few minutes. It's now 4:19. We'll come back in a few minutes, see what it's doing. All right, it's like 21. Okay, and the dishwasher is running. I can hear it. It's running. I don't know what other tests to do, but it is running. Let's see. Yeah, you got water going in there. Start it up again. I don't know. Looks to me like the dishwasher is running just fine. Yeah, we've never had a problem with it, so I don't know what to do on this one, but it seems to be working. So I was just draining the water there. but it looks like it's working. All right, I'm up on a chair. You can see me here up on the chair, underneath or close to underneath this overhang over the patio. So I'm going to turn the camera around so we can kind of see what's going on. Here and here. It's hard to, I'll be honest, it's really hard to say it's bowing or sagging. I don't know how even is supposed to be even, but it if there's a little bit of a difference, it may be very slight. So I don't know. It seems pretty safe to me. Again, I'm not a engineer or structural engineer, but this thing looks pretty solid. So